Off the back bumper. How about Cole Gudnestead up there? Thomas Harris, the late model shoe from over at Caraway, doing a nice job in the 4th spot. Killa Cam looks to the high side of Ives. New race leader off turn number 2.
What's up, Killas? It's your boy, Killa Cam here. You know, we're here at the good old Charlotte Motor Speedway for round 8 of the Cookout Summer Shootout. Man, I tell you what, that was a great week last week. Love having fun with the speeches out there with Lenny Batycki. Now, I really want to thank Flow Race for posting it. Got over 3 million views, which, you know, is pretty big for a little legend car driver like me. But, you know, I'm here with my cousin Carter. And, you know, how you doing today, buddy? Good. Having fun? So, this is my little cousin Carter. So, you know, he's an up-and-coming racer. He's actually my teammate's Corbin's brother. So, you know, this is my little nephew. And, Carter, you want to do it? Do it. All right, Killas. Peace.
Yeah. Go. Go, Carter. Go, Carter. Go. Oh, Carter wins. Woo. This is what we do. We're under the rain delay. Lightning delay. What are we doing here?
Doing a hairstyle.
The Joe Ryan hairstyle?
That's right.
Let's go, baby. Oh,
Oh, hell
man,
yeah.
that looks good. Wow. Man,
Perfect.
it looked amazing. Go show Joe. Go show Joe.
We need to go do that. Let me put my suit up. So we're going out to different girls, and we're doing different Riz lines to girls. You need to come do it with us. Please, Tegan. Come on, bro. I guess get Neil to do it with us. I ain't got no pen and I ain't got no paper, but you still draw my attention. Ah, that was a good one. Sam, is this a museum? Because you're a work of art.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I like that one.
Are you tired from running to my mind? I'm not even playing cards, but I somehow pulled a queen.
That was a good one. Did it fall when you hurt? Or wait, did it hurt when you fell? Let's see if we got a good one. I'll give you another one to use. How old are you?
I'm 11.
Do you use these when you're actually trying to pick up girls? Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you like raisins?
No.
How do you feel about a date? This is not a date, no.
Oh, okay. Now I
He's
get
like,
it.
no, I don't know what you're talking about.
I got it. I didn't get it at start
Is your name Wi-Fi?
because I feel a connection.
Oh, you got that
What was it?
one. 10. Why? Does he have a girlfriend? You guys would tell me, right?
Yeah.
He does?
Yep, like 4 of them.
Oh, give me names. Give me the dirt.
That's all I can tell.
4. 4 I did not raise him like that. You're not going to tell us?
I can't.
Bro code.
Bro code,
I'm
exactly.
going to tell him, though. I got to figure out 4 names. Now I'm going to go ask him. Right? Somebody go find out. He won't tell me. I need to write down.
I told her you had 4 girlfriends. I told his mom that he had 4 girlfriends.
Wait, you actually wrote
No.
Charlotte Motor Speedway. I've never experienced, but you have twice.
You know, it's definitely a great feeling running out there against the big dogs, learning a lot. Learning from Brex and Bush, you can see right there, you know, learning against the whole field. Just first year is definitely a big learning curve. And, you know, I'm really excited, and we can see what we can do today.
All right, thank you.
All right, peace.
Repeat.
Repeat.
Repeat what you did last week.
Put her in victory lane. Hi. You said that.
Alright guys, weather is hopefully out of the area, so I don't know, obviously I'm just like you guys. I've been back here walking the whole garage, so I do not know what the racetrack looks like. So at this moment, both beginners and chargers need to head to staging, because if the track's wet at all, we would start with chargers. So when we leave here, beginners and chargers to staging.
was down on stage with Lenny Batycki talking all kinds of smack last week.
Man.
And he was the winner last week. So
He even went, so hold on, Killa Cam, I saw something on social media earlier today. Killa Cam even went to go using pickup lines with Samantha Bush.
How about that?
Yeah.
Good luck with that.
Yeah.
Good luck with that.
You win one race in the summer shootout, and boy, oh boy, let me tell you.
Steal Samantha from Kyle down there. I don't know. I don't know that that's going to happen. I'm not a betting man, but I don't know that that's in the cards. So Killa Cam though, hey, shoot your shot. That's what they say. Shoot your shot, especially when you got a hot hand.
Oh yeah.
The win in the Charger division that makes you king of the world.
Parker's going to get to some more slower traffic here soon. He's done a really good job, though, managing the gap behind him, managing his lap times, really doing everything you're supposed to do at the front of the field when you're in a position like this. The biggest thing he's got to worry about is that orange car, Camden Truett, in the mirror. Truett last time about 0.3 of a second faster, and this time again visibly quicker, able to reel him in. That was 0.6 that lap. The gap from first to second is shrinking, and it's doing so at a rapid pace.
And Killa Cam's probably not going to be scared to pull the trigger on a move, that's for sure. Young man certainly got some talent and pretty up on the wheel there right now. Tiptoeing that car around the lap machine as he is in line right now with 5 laps to go. Parker, he's got Killa Cam. Camden Truett right off the back bumper. How about Cole Gudmestad up there? Thomas Harris, the late model shoe from over at Caraway, doing a nice job in the 4th spot. Killa Cam looks to the high side of Ives. New race leader off turn number 2.
Oh man, Killa Cam got the power down, and Ives on the lower side. You got to pinch the car down more. Did not work out for him, and it is a deal of, well, when's the hole in the roof going to stop leaking at this point for Parker Ives? Because he...
Yeah, baby!
Forward.
I set that sucker on that top side.
Got on the top, dude. Good job.
Yeah.
You did a hell of a job, man.
Hit his feet, come on.
You know, you're talking to the Rolex wearing, diamond ring wearing, jet stealing, wheeling dealing, jet flying, limousine riding, son of a gun, and I'm having a hard time holding these alligators down. Woo!
Yeah! My man.
Woo! Woo! 2 in a row, baby.
Cam. Okay.
Good job, buddy.
Gotta sit there and learn these little tricks. One, two,
All right, Cam. How good are you? Good. Hey, we win next week. I'm tearing it down to the frame. Oh, tearing her down. Good job, dude. Woo.
I told her I'm bringing a whole pack next week.
What'd you say?
what the haters gonna say now? Cause I backed it up and woo!
baby.